What's up guys, Harry here, known as Trade Sharp, and today I want to bring you another quick video, quickly catching up on what we went over yesterday, looking at what's happened today, and without further ado, let's run this intro. So quickly looking here at the chart, we can see that we did close above the topside Bollinger Band on the 3-day, so that's obviously trending motion and action. Very clear to see that, and is very bullish for Bitcoin. Now, going quickly onto the lower time frames, and we'll remove this. Let's go on the 1 hour. Let's have a look at the 1 hour so we can see, bring back our drawings. Boom. So we almost hit my target here. I'm not going to call this a successful target hit because it's not very successful, but you get what I'm talking about. We can see basically, we had this explosion here. We came out, we had a fake out, and then, but we did get, if you look, let's remove this line here. If you did look on the 4 hour time frame, we did close a 4 hour above here. So automatically closing a 4 hour, also taking out, like I said, the previous wick high. You can see that, we had some sort of retest here, and then we had this explosion here. Big, nice move all the way up to 37,845. Now, we're obviously having a sell-off here, which is pretty clear. So, since we're having a sell-off, it's not really the end of the world. There's nothing too major. If this gets confirmed the top, then I could draw a Fibonacci. So let's just see what we're doing. We'll take it from the explosion of the move, and we'll use Wix to here. And it's bringing in the next target exactly where roughly at that 40,000 range. So you can see that that 40,000 range is what I was expecting. This is giving slightly above at the $40,100 range, but this is what I think long term. So I'm not thinking maybe maybe next week. Yeah, about next week, maybe on Saturday. We normally get the crazy moves on Saturday. We come up and we try to go to this 40,000 because everything's looking very bullish. Now, there is also a target coming in here, so we will put in the target coming at 38.8, but we'll see how that plays out. Oh yeah, if I draw this on the wick properly, it does come in on the target, you see. So yeah, pretty much perfectly. Here's the next target here, coming in at 30,800, and we'll see how that plays out. So obviously we're getting sold into now. Actually, let me bring that Fibonacci back. You can see that this 0.618 is a great area. Normally, that's why I make it gold. It's called the golden zone for it to bounce. And what you see that if price reaches around that area, we have support around here. We have some sort of support that was flip resistance on the 1 hour. That would be clear. Now, how do we know that this move is actually absolutely going to be puke? Bitcoin's going to dump. Well, that's going to be a 4 hour closure below this area here. And if we do close a 4 hour below here, then I look for us coming actually all the way back down to test the bottom side of this range, because we would close in the range, especially if we close below this. If we get a wick below this lower wick, I look for us to come all the way back down into this range, and we'll take it up from then, because I think that's a $7,000 move. So we'll see how that goes. But obviously, it is a kind of a death sentence closing back below this $35,000 range. So we will see how that plays out. I'm generally bullish, guys. Nothing much to say. We are correcting a little bit. Stokes are turned down. 4 hour Stokes also turning down. So I will look for a bit more downside, probably to around here where I was expecting, and we'll see what happens after that. Quickly looking at Ethereum. Let's see, ETHUSD. Yes, you can see that Ethereum had a nice breakout yesterday. I have my drawings here. You can see that I did set a target here of the projected target of that breakout from this accumulation phase to uh, 1,287. Now I do think it will end up hitting that, but we did get a 50% on our trade, which is obviously really good. So if you were to take this trade yesterday, like I said, we did even get the retest here on the 1 hour. It's really nice and clear. We are on the 1 hour, so we hit the retest here, risk management below the previous low, and we had a boom, nice explosion here, eventually reaching up to about roughly a 3.7 R. So how much ever percent you risked, you would have made three times that. Let's say you risked $10,000, you would have made $37,000 from this trade. So decent trade here. And if you guys made profits, then congratulations. I'm just gonna pop in a small clip now. I think ETH is about to break out, and if we do close an hourly. No, I'm gonna play it safe, at least a 3 hourly. Or if we wick up and go past this previous wick here. So if we do get a wick above this, then I do think it will continue. It might get sold back into, find this maybe support, then it gets there, showing that this trade, I did say it yesterday, just to for people watching this video who don't believe I said it. And yeah, we'll see how this sells into, and I'll leave you with that. Remember, watch that $35,000 level. Very, 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 very important. We have having a bit of a dump, but as I said, there is some support around here, so we'll see how that. As long as this 35,000 level holds, I'm bullish, and yeah, we'll take it from then. Again, guys, remember, take care and trade sharp. Peace.